Ready to transform your life? Discover the 5 powerful habits that can revolutionize your daily routine and set you on a path to success and happiness. Today, we are talking about the 5 life-changing habits that everyone has got to incorporate into their life. Now, I know you're thinking, with all the tech and gadgets we have got, why bother? But it is exactly all this modern convenience that has turned us into couch potatoes. So, if you are looking to break out of that mold, amp up your mindset, and really start living the good life, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the first habit, tech break. I know, we all love scrolling through our feeds. I get it. Lord knows I do it too. But social media is like that bag of chips you start, and suddenly, well, it's gone. But all that endless scrolling is doing much more than just killing time. It is changing the very way you think, the way you feel, and even how lazy you can get without realizing it. So what is the game plan? A digital detox. Imagine taking a little vacation from your screens. It is, of course, not about going full hermit mode, but more about being mindful of what is really worth your attention. And if you wonder what are the benefits, oh, they are sweet. You get better sleep, more time for stuff that matters, like hitting the gym or finally reading that book. And hey, even your mood gets a lift when you are not constantly comparing your behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. Sounds good, doesn't it? So give it a shot. Unplug yourself, recharge, and see how much brighter real life can be without those digital distractions. Rolling right into our second habit, let's talk about giving yourself the right fuel. I know resisting that aroma of fried chicken or the creamy delight of cheesecake feels like a Herculean task. And it is. But stop for a second. What real good are these treats doing for your health? Spoiler alert, none. The goal here is to eat clean and stay lean. Your menu should rather have vibrant veggies, juicy fruits, and let's not forget the MVP of hydration, water. Most people forget about minerals and electrolytes. Otherwise, the water you are drinking is useless for your body. Mixing in greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli can turn your meals into a powerhouse of nutrients. But remember, balance is key. It is easy for that one cheat day to slide into a cheat week, then a month. You get the drift. Also, meal prepping is your best friend here. It is like having your future self's back and you have got tasty, healthy options ready to go. Trust me, your body and wallet will thank you. Now, to our third habit, stay active. Yep, it is time to move it or lose it. Hitting the gym sure seems like a chore, but your body craves that movement. No gym? No problem. A morning walk, a quick home workout, or even dancing in your living room, it all counts. The key is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine, and before you know it, you will be craving that post-workout high. Being active has been shown to have many health benefits, both physically and mentally. It may even help you live longer, including reduced risk of chronic disease. Regular exercise has been shown to help boost energy levels and enhance your mood, and it may even improve your sex life. Stepping into our fourth habit, mindfulness. Unlock the power of the present moment with mindfulness, a simple yet transformative practice that can reduce stress, enhance focus, and elevate your overall well-being. Some of the best techniques are meditation, yoga, and cold water. Plunge. True glow-up isn't just skin deep. It starts from within, and the secret sauce is meditation. It is like a way to hit the pause button on the chaos of daily life. When your mind is healthy and happy, it shows on the outside too. The best time to meditate is basically any time that works for you. Morning, evening, or even during a quick break at work. Make sure to be regular. Just a few minutes a day can significantly reduce stress, improve your focus, and boost your overall mood. Yoga is a comprehensive practice that integrates physical, mental, and spiritual disciplines. Originating in ancient India, it aims to achieve harmony and balance within the individual and their environment. Cold water plunge. Research indicates that icy water may have a positive effect on recovery after exercise by reducing inflammation and soreness. It also may help build resiliency, restore balance to the nervous system, and improve cognitive function and mood. Regularly challenging oneself to endure cold water can build mental toughness, resilience, and willpower. And now, our final habit, keep growing. Albert Einstein once said, "Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it." If you are sitting there thinking learning has an expiry date, Think again. Learning knows no age. It is the fuel that keeps your mind sharp and your life interesting. Whether it is picking up a new skill, reading a book every day, or exploring a hobby you have always been curious about, the goal is to keep that brain of yours engaged and growing. Anything and everything that tickles your fancy. Languages, cooking, coding, you name it. Every new thing you learn adds a layer to your personal growth. It makes you more rounded and, frankly, more fascinating. So keep that curiosity alive and remember the journey of learning is never ending, and that is the beauty of it. Everything around us is changing and transforming at a lightning speed. This means that we also need to transform and adapt ourselves every single day. We should never stop our educational journey. Although we have done that, it's never too late to start learning again. Alright guys, so those are 5 steps on 5 life-changing habits for everyone. I really hope this video helped you set your mind on the prize and set yourself on the right track. If you liked the video, then we would strongly advise you to check out this video on Kickstart Your Real Estate Journey with just $1,000. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below which one you are already mastering. Thank you for watching and have a good one.